Hello dear Taurus, welcome back to my channel, and this is your mid-month love reading. And if you're looking for a career reading or a general monthly reading, then please do go and check out my another video on the YouTube channel. This is only for love. In case you're single, you have a crush on someone, if you are in a relationship or situationship or even in a marriage, okay, then this reading is for you. Also, do check your sun, moon and rising sign. So let's pick out one more card from this deck. One card already came out. Okay. Seems like you're going back home after, after winning something or after achieving something, Taurus. Must have got promoted recently. Must have won a new title. Must have participated in something, some competition. Cleared some exam. Could be anything. Yeah. So there are two different stories. I will tell you both. So let's begin. 10 of suns and 4 of stars for Taurus. Some of you could be dealing with a Libran as well. I will let you know if there's any other sign. Some of you could be dealing with an Aries. Okay, let's clarify more with Nostradamus that what it means for Taurus. Okay, and what about the 4 of stars, please? I feel that you've gone through a difficult time. Okay, you've gone through a difficult time. You feel like people abandoned you, and I feel that this is related to work. Sorry, because I've also started doing Hindi readings, so sometimes I tend to mix it up. Okay, this is only English reading. Hindi is going to be another video. So I do feel that in the mid month of July, you feel alone. You're spending time alone. I think somebody cheated on you in the past, and you somehow are very stuck in that energy. You somehow are very lonely, sad, you feel abandoned because somebody just left you, right? Somebody broke up with you, somebody cheated on you, or somebody did not turn out to be the way you imagined them, right? If you do have a personal question, a love question, please ask this in your mind and then watch this reading. You will find it more effective. So I do feel that this is how your energy is in the mid month. That somebody cheated on you in the past, left you, abandoned you, lied to you, didn't turn out to be the way you expected it to be, them to be, and that's why you feel hurt, you feel sad, you feel abandoned. You could be even crying or feel or spending a lot of time alone. But I do feel positive energy. I do feel that you could be coming out of it. Okay, these two cards, the Six of Suns and the One of Stars, they both are very positive cards. Like they are a card of victory. You can see these soldiers coming back home, right? You can also see they're raising a flag, they're raising their sword. Why do we do that? When we have won something, when we have achieved something, when we have come out of something, right? So I do feel that yes, you were in that emotionally blocked energy where you were not opening up, where you were not meeting a lot of people. You could have been spending a lot of time with yourself, not with your friends. And maybe you said that I needed a break. I don't want to start dating too soon. I don't want to meet people right now. You could have been going through that energy, right? But the good part is it's all going to change. I feel that you're going to come out of this negative, low, and all these baggage that you're carrying from your past relationship and your burdens that you're carrying from your past relationship. You're going to come out of it victoriously. Okay, I do feel that emotionally you have started moving on from this person. Emotionally you have started moving on from this negative energy or this stuck up energy. Sometimes we break up with a person and it's been years, but we still can't move on. So I do feel finally you are able to move on from this person. Okay, I do feel that you will be coming out of it victoriously, and you will be like, yes, I'm going to overcome this problem of mine. I'm going to overcome my negative energy. I'm going to come out of this stuck up energy. Okay, I need to clear my blockages. I need to start living my life again. I need to start meeting people again. Maybe you will come out of it, join dating apps, or start meeting people through your parents, and you will want to move on and finally settle in your life. And I can see it happening for you beautifully. Okay, so yes, you do have these feelings, but it's gonna change. So if you're watching this video when you're actually feeling sad and stuck up, then do know that positive things are on the horizon. You definitely gonna come out of it beautifully. Okay, you are going to be victorious. So this was your mid-month love reading, and please do check your sun, moon, and rising in your birth chart to see if the Taurus applies to you or not. If there's any other sign, like a moon sign can be different, a rising sign can be different. So you can check out the readings for those signs as well. They will also apply to you. Okay. So this was your reading, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.